Writing an email can feel overwhelming, but following a general format can simplify the process. First, ensure you have an email address from a free provider like Gmail or Yahoo. When composing a new message, enter the recipient's address in the To field and use CC for others who should be informed, while BCC keeps email addresses hidden. Craft a brief, informative subject line that gives an idea of the email's content. The body should include a salutation, a clear message, and a closing. For friendly emails to loved ones, maintain a casual tone with a light subject and personalized greetings, and feel free to use informal language and emoticons. On the other hand, formal emails are appropriate for professional or unfamiliar contacts, requiring a more structured approach. Always review your message for clarity and errors before sending.